How to see who is behind a fake Instagram account. So first of all, let's launch Instagram app on your device and make sure that you sign in. So you need to note that there is no specific way to identify who is behind a fake Instagram account, but here you can see or the check variety of alternative method. So the first is you need to check their profile details. Tap search icon at bottom left and let's search for a particular account. And then tap the search icon at bottom right corner of your screen. And here you can see variety of options account. Now you simply need to look at their post. Fake account often have very few posts or stolen images. You need to try doing a reverse image search on Google to see if their pictures are used elsewhere. So you need to check their followers and following list as well. If they follow too many people but they have few followers, it could be a fake account. Many fake accounts follow random users without any engagement. Also, you need to analyze their activity. Do they comment on posts or interact with followers? If the account has no interactions, it's likely a bot or a fake profile. So the real account have most often the check mark or the blue tick if they are celebrities. For example, this profile, the same name on the account which have the blue tick. So this is the official and other are simply the fake accounts. So method 2 is simply you need to search for the username on other platform like Google, Facebook, Twitter or LinkedIn. If the username is linked to different names and profile, it could be a fake account. The third method is simply you can use the third-party apps claim to track fake Instagram account, but be aware most of this app is still personal data and may not be trustworthy. Instead, stick to manual verification method like checking profile activity and engagement. So, if you're sure the account is fake, you need to report to Instagram by going to their profile, tapping three dots, and selecting report. So, it's pretending to be someone. And with this, you will get some idea about who is behind a fake Instagram account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.